For years, Mazda has quietly played the role of the underdog in the global automotive industry. While giants like Toyota and Ford dominate headlines with massive truck sales, hybrid breakthroughs, and electrification strategies, Mazda has been working behind the scenes on something far more unconventional and honestly, potentially disruptive. That something is a new generation inline-six diesel engine. And unlike the diesel engines of the past, this one isn't about compromise, it's about efficiency, refinement, torque, and, long-term strategy. More importantly, it signals that Mazda is not ready to abandon internal combustion just yet, and that decision is starting to make competitors uneasy. At a time when most automakers are downsizing engines, switching to small turbocharged 4-cylinders, or going fully electric, Mazda has gone in the opposite direction. Instead of shrinking, they've expanded, introducing a 3.3-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine designed for modern performance and emissions compliance. From an engineering standpoint, this is a bold and, honestly, somewhat risky move. Inline-six engines are inherently longer, heavier, and more expensive to produce than 4-cylinder alternatives. However, they also offer significant advantages: smoother operation, better balance, and more consistent torque delivery. Mazda believes those benefits outweigh the costs, and early signs suggest they may be right. The inline-six engine layout has historically been associated with premium vehicles. Brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz have long used this configuration because of its natural balance and smoothness. Mazda's decision to bring this architecture into a diesel platform is, well, pretty strategic. Experts point out that an inline-six diesel can achieve superior thermal efficiency compared to smaller engines. The longer stroke and better combustion characteristics allow for more complete fuel burn, reducing waste and improving fuel economy. In real-world terms, that means more torque at lower RPMs, better towing capability, and reduced fuel consumption. Exactly what truck and SUV buyers want. Diesel engines have faced a rough decade. Stricter emissions regulations and high-profile controversies have pushed many manufacturers away from diesel entirely. Toyota has largely avoided diesel in key markets like North America, while Ford has scaled back its diesel offerings in light-duty trucks. Mazda, however, saw an opportunity. Rather than abandoning diesel, they re-engineered it. Their new inline-six diesel incorporates advanced technologies such as high-pressure common rail fuel injection, mild hybrid assistance, advanced exhaust after-treatment systems, and a low compression ratio design for cleaner combustion. These innovations allow Mazda's diesel to meet strict emissions standards while still delivering strong performance. Industry experts note that this approach could redefine how diesel is perceived. Instead of being seen as outdated or dirty, it could re-emerge as a viable alternative to both gasoline and hybrid powertrains. Mazda's inline-six diesel isn't just about efficiency, it's about performance. Early versions of the engine produce impressive torque figures, often exceeding 500 Nm, with some configurations pushing even higher. That level of torque is crucial, especially in larger vehicles like SUVs and pickups. It allows for strong acceleration from low speeds, improved towing capacity, better off-road capability, and reduced engine strain under load. Compared to many turbocharged 4-cylinder engines which often rely on higher RPMs to deliver power, the inline-six diesel provides a more effortless driving experience. Automotive analysts suggest that this could appeal to a wide range of buyers, particularly those who prioritize durability and real-world usability over outright horsepower. One of the most compelling aspects of Mazda's inline-six diesel is its fuel efficiency. In an era of rising fuel costs and increasing environmental awareness, efficiency is more important than ever. Thanks to its advanced combustion design and mild hybrid integration, the engine delivers exceptional fuel economy for its size and power output. Experts highlight that diesel engines inherently have higher energy density compared to gasoline. When combined with modern engineering, this allows Mazda's engine to achieve impressive mileage without sacrificing performance. This creates a unique value proposition, a powerful, smooth engine that also saves money at the pump. Toyota has built its reputation on reliability and hybrid technology. While its hybrid systems are highly efficient, they can be complex and expensive to produce. Mazda's approach offers a simpler alternative, By refining internal combustion rather than replacing it, Mazda can deliver efficiency without the added complexity of full hybrid systems. This could pose a challenge for Toyota in certain segments, particularly in markets where diesel remains popular. Additionally, Mazda's Inline 6 diesel provides a level of torque and driving feel that many hybrid systems struggle to match. For drivers who value performance and towing capability, this could be a decisive factor. Ford's dominance in the truck market is built on engines like the EcoBoost and Powerstroke diesel. However, in recent years, we've seen a shift towards smaller engines and electrification. Now Mazda's Inline 6 diesel introduces a new competitor in this space. Experts suggest that if Mazda applies this engine to a pickup platform, it could disrupt the market in some pretty unexpected ways. The combination of high torque, strong efficiency, and smooth operation could really attract buyers who are dissatisfied with their current options. Plus, Mazda's focus on refinement gives it a definite edge. While traditional diesel engines are often associated with noise and vibration, the Inline 6 configuration significantly reduces these drawbacks. This could honestly redefine what buyers expect from a diesel-powered truck or SUV. One of the key innovations in Mazda's Inline 6 diesel is the integration of mild hybrid technology. This system uses a small electric motor to assist the engine during acceleration and improve overall efficiency. Unlike full hybrids, mild hybrids are lighter, simpler, and more cost-effective. They also provide benefits like smoother start-stop operation, improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, and enhanced low-speed torque. Experts believe this combination is particularly effective when paired with electric assistance compensates for any lag, while the diesel provides sustained power and efficiency. Mazda's decision to invest in an Inline 6 diesel is really part of a broader strategy. Rather than committing fully to electrification, the company is pursuing a multi-solution approach. This includes advanced gasoline engines, Skyactiv X, diesel innovation, mild hybrid systems, plug-in hybrid